So as you can see, this wig is old, it's matted. It's just not cute. Like, it's greasy. So yeah, we're about to revive it. So if you want to see how I revive this hair, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is simply just fill my sink up halfway with warm water. I do this process with warm water. I have yet to do it with cold water. But before anything, make sure that you're doing this in a safe location because we are going to be adding bleach later on. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to be adding Clorox bleach to the water. I don't measure how much I pour into the sink. If you are reviving bundles, I suggest pouring a little bit more than usual. I'm only reviving one wig, so I'm not going to pour that much into the sink. Okay, so for the next step, I highly suggest you use gloves. I do not know what bleach does to your skin, so please use gloves while doing this. You're simply going to take the hair and literally just lay it in the sink full of water and bleach, and the time doesn't really matter. If you guys look closely enough, you can actually see the dirt coming up from the hair instantly. I usually let it sit for about 7 to 10 minutes, but if you want to let it sit longer or shorter, it is completely up to you. Okay, so after the time is up, I'm just quickly going to drain the sink of the bleach and water, and you will actually see the dirt sitting in the sink. So all you're going to do now is, after that process of draining the sink, you're just going to rinse the hair with hot or cold water. It doesn't matter, but you just want to make sure all the dirt is out of the hair. Going to shampoo and condition the hair. I use Suave on my real hair, so I do also use it on my extensions. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously use the shampoo. First, I use warm water when I use shampoo, and then we're going to move on and, of course, use conditioner, and I also use warm water when I am doing that process as well. Okay, so after I am done shampooing and conditioning, I simply just rinse it with some cold water, and after that I'm just going to hang it up in my bathroom with the hanger, and I'm going to just let the hair air dry. I highly suggest not blow drying the hair. You don't want to put heat damage on it. Let the hair air dry and give it about 24 hours to completely dry. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. The hair is revived. There's no more knots, no more tangles. The hair is beautiful. I've used this method many times before, and it allows me to save a lot of money. If I'm in need for new hair or I can't afford bundles at the time, use this method and your hair will bounce right back. I'm partnering with a company called J King Entertainment, and it is a small clothing line. It's a black-owned business that is located in Maryland, and I love the message that they send and the message that they represent. They represent humor and recognition of self-worth, and they just want to promote confidence, and I love all their clothes. I'm actually wearing one of their shirts right now. It says kid in the front, and then it says baby goat in the back. And I'm all for positivity, positive messages. So if you guys decide to go to their website and purchase something, make sure to use my discount code Clare when you exit so that you can get a 10% off discount on your order. So I hope y'all check them out and then tell me how it goes.